What are you doing? What happened? What's wrong with you? Did you hurt your junk?
No. Ow. My butt crack hurts. I fell and it scratched my butt crack. Now my butt crack hurts.
That's a problem.
No, it's not.
Oh, your back is all wet.
No, it's not.
Push, push, push. Good save.
You need to hold on to me
Yep.
from now on.
Well, hold on to you at the beginning. You ready? If you would have pushed harder, you would have got going. There we go. Okay. Okay. Don't steer too much. The harder you pedal, the easier it'll be to steer. Pedal harder. Here, we'll wait for these girls to go by. Okay, ready? And go. Steer, steer, steer. Relax. You're steering too much. There you go. There you go. You got it.